Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title Coral, a cloud-backed Frugal file system. Our project abstract with a simple access interface and a flexible billing model, cloud storage has become an attractive solution to simplify the storage management for both enterprises and individual users. However, traditional file system with extensive optimization for local disk-based storage backend cannot fully exploit the inherent features of the cloud. To obtain desirable performance, in this paper we present the design, implementation and evaluation of Coral, a cloud-based file system that strikes a balance between performance and monetary cost. Unlike previous studies that treat cloud storage as just a normal backend of existing networked file system, Coral is designed to address several key issues in optimized cloud-based file system, such as the data layout, block management, and billing model, with carefully designed data structures and algorithms, such as identifying semantically correlated data blocks, KD tree based caching policy with self-adaptive trashing prevention, effective data layout, and optimal garbage collection. Coral achieves good performance and cost saving under various workloads, as demonstrated by extensive evaluation. Our project data flow. In this data flow, it starts from a cloud processor. In our project, we have mainly mentioned related to the cloud storage with a low cost to the users. In this process, we mentioned that the cloud process with the different clouds of the store and also the storage. We are using, for example, in this process, we are using our own cloud to demonstrate a process. In this cloud process, we have simply done a upload and download process to mention the storage space and in an increasing manner to make the certain data on the cloud certain spaces. In the first upload process, the file can be chosen and the space can be selected. For example, it can be private or a public cloud related to the cloud usage and the payment of the cost. To increase the security, the key can be generated to mention that they are related to the cloud space to make certain alignment, and the data can be stored in it and related to the process. After that, the download process can be done. In the download process, the file can be selected to the related users and the key and the validation can be done, and the place can be choose to download. In this process, the result can be generated and the graph can be mentioned with the cloud space and the security of the data. The process can be mentioned that the data and the related secured process. The process can be mentioned that different secure data analysis to make the further procedures in data, and the certain analysis can be done to make the storage and the cloud mentioned in data. And the cloud also mentioned that the private and the public to make the security to the storage of the space. Then the process can be further mentioned that the certain features to increase the security and the storage space with the low cost of the cloud storage. We are using a different cloud. For example, we are using our own cloud to make that cloud storage with the low cost to make the public and the private permissions to access the file using the server access to make the access of the data in it. Our project demo for Coral cloud-backed Frugal file system. As we are using our own cloud as data. First, we want to run the process. I click on the Coral. I click on the Coral and click run file. In this process we have mentioned that there are certain types of cloud storage with the related cost. This is our home page. Click anywhere in the home page. It takes us to our login page. If you are a new user, click new user to register. Giving Java and the email, fill the details and click on register and give the username and the password. Login and click on upload process. I am choosing the upload process. Choose any files to upload. I am choosing text file and it makes the secret key. Note down the secret key to make a secure login and during the download process. And the file can be assigned with a certain key and the request cloud server. Run the cloud server. Right click on the cloud server and click run. File can be received and encrypted. Click on the upload. Cloud can be assigned and the file can be stored and it can be uploaded in the own cloud. It is the server of the one cloud. It acts as a server of the one cloud and it can be uploaded in it. After that time should be shows the download file. Click on the download, select the file and the request and enter the key. File can be waiting for a response. Click on client server. Receive the request and assign the request to the process. And click on client request.java. Receive from server and send the file to the client and get the file. Decryptor, send the file to download. And the file can be downloaded. Thank you.